This is my Venn diagram, and I will discuss the similarities and differences of procedural programming and object-oriented programming. Procedural programming is sequence, may step-by-step siyang sinusunod, while the object-oriented programming is the program is organized around objects. Procedural programming and object-oriented programming are both ways of writing computer programs. They are similar because both are programming paradigms, meaning they provide a structure on how programs are created. Both use variables, data types, loops, and logical thinking, and both are used to develop software and applications. However, the difference in how the programs is organized. Procedural programming focuses on step-by-step procedures or functions. It follows a top-down approach where the problem is broken down. It follows a top-down approach where the problem is broken down into smaller functions. In this paradigm, data and functions are separate, and it is commonly used for small and simple programs. It also has less emphasis on data security. On the other hand, object-oriented programming focuses on subjects. It follows a bottom-up approach and combines data and functions into a single unit called an object. This provides better data security through encapsulations and makes the code more usable. Object-oriented programming is more suitable for large and complex systems. In summary, procedural programming is centered on functions and program flow, while object-oriented is centered on objects and data security. But both are essential approaches in programming.